Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, we are so happy to have back with us Mr. Christopher. You see that? You see Chris? Christopher Ellis.
Big up, Nisha. Big up, crazy. Well, go on.
Bless up, bless
Good
up.
man, we're there.
I saw it forgot, man. If I have them nervous, Chris.
Christopher. I'm like, Chris. Anyway.
Nisha, well, go on.
So,
How you guys doing?
So, Chris, you just missed a massive storm that they had in the UK, man. How does it feel to be back home?
Oh, I love it. Listen, I have a love affair with Jamaica, you know. Trust me, I have a love affair with Jamaica. I just feel like I belong here. I feel like I should be here indefinitely.
You should.
We agree with that. Because, you know, we love you.
Yeah,
You're
man.
Here.
Yeah, man.
For persons who don't know, you are the son of the late, great, legendary Alton Ellis, carrying on his legacy. Now, can you share with us something that your father taught you and that still stays with you even now?
I mean, there's so many lessons, you know, but one that I learned off him subconsciously, and I see how he moved, is just humility, you know. The man just moved easy, and I think most of those older artists, that's how they move still. They're just easy and laid back. And even one time here in Jamaica, he was at the red lights and a car pulled up next to us, and them say, "Yo, if you have an Alton Ellis," and he said, "I thought everybody's saying no." Drive off. And I was this guy, he just laid back, you know, easy and humble, and you know, I suppose I get that example from him. And so many more still, just as a father, you know, not just a singer, as a father as well. You know, he always showed us love and told us they loved us, you know. A lot of people don't get told from their father that I love you with those words. And he still us that, you know. So yeah, man, so many, man.
That's amazing. That's amazing, man. And I want to say you really carry on the legend for real. Cause, yo, a real bad singer, you know. I was talking to Nisha and I said, Nisha, you have singer, you know. But that brother, you can't really.
He said, no, man, him can't sing, you know. Him can't sing.
Yeah, man, I don't know.
I can do it. Thanks,
you know. All right, let me say. That's why I say it, you know. Because him not going to do that. But Chris, you have a brand new single out now called Rubber Dub, correct?
Yeah, bro.
Tell us a little bit about that single.
Yeah. It's coming behind Still Go A Dance. We're a big song in the called Still Go A Dance. It's been out 2 years now, but this is the next single now. It's called Rubber Dub. It's produced by Gang again, and you know, it's the real thing. It's, you know, the one drop song that we love, that I love personally. You know, I want these songs to go for the door, Craig. You know, I don't want to change the sound. I want these songs to go to the door. So it's smooth and it's nice, and it's saying it has a message as well. You know, about the music. The reggae music, the one drop music, the Rubber Dub. Yeah. So it's out now everywhere. iTunes, Spotify.
All right, hold on a second. I want to hear the song we are talking about. I want to hear it. So, make we take a little listen. Come on, we are talking about. Play the track. Play the track.
When the competition claims that them can compete, but I doubt it.
Yeah, man. Let's see what go on, man. I go and produce that one here too.
Yeah, Craig, in this one, purposely, there's no extravagant singing in this one, you know. It's
right.
That direct message and you know, cause Craig, you know as well, bro. I feel like sometimes the bag of singing thing, they don't really get that, you know.
No, man, you want to convey the energy, so you don't need the fandangles.
Hey.
Yeah, man.
But the thing is,
trust
you know, this a real ring-ta-time.
I was going to say, it's like a little bubbling. It's like a little bubbling that keep.
And Craig, listen. Anisha, listen to this. In this song, I say, "Some boy can't wallpaper scrub." That's the title for Rent-A-Tile.
Yeah, man.
In the UK.
Yeah, man.
Wallpaper
Brush
scrub.
off the wall.
Yeah, wallpaper scrub. All night, the couples them embrace.
Yeah.
I'm too young for this conversation, people. I'm too young for it.
Nisha, tell them about Instagram. We have the gymnastics say, I footwear, yes, sir.
Anywho, okay, so I love the song and I feel like a bubbling vibe will go on. But do you have any plans for an album anytime soon?
So, oh boy, this album thing is really messing me up. It's been a few years now, and for some reason, my career hasn't manifested an album yet, but we're still working towards it. But what I'm grateful for is that we have like strong singles over the years that I'm able to tour off, you know, and I've been touring off of the back of these singles, you know what I mean? So I don't know about album. I say every year, album this year, and album doesn't happen. So I don't know what to say.
But speaking of touring, though, are you going on the road with the Marley Brothers? Speaking of touring, is that what's up?
I'm going on tour, but not with the Marleys. I'm going on tour. Me and Atana are going on tour in April.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, Europe. Yeah.
That one name step out.
Yeah, man, Atana, man. So, you know, yeah, trust me, niceness, man.
Oh, fun good.
Yeah, but like I said, the singles carry me, so I can't complain. The singles been carrying me, you know.
Yeah. I mean, like, so, what? Explain to me like the difference performing these songs now. These as you said, less flamboyant singing songs on the rubber dub thing. When you get to perform them, like what kind of feel, what kind of feedback you get? Well, this new still.
I realize that these songs, right, when it's simple and effective, you get more. People can kind of connect to it more, you know, because they can sing along and they can, you know. And I've always said over the years, just a nice smooth chorus, get them singing instead of all the whoa, all them things that really.
Yeah.
But like sometimes as singers, we want to do those things. I'm telling you, direct thing.
Yeah.
Direct and to the point where they sing along style thing, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I agree with that.
It works.
Because I don't need to sing along, you know. I just need to bubble along. You know what I'm saying? I just need a bass and just
Yeah.
Chris.
So.
Yeah, man.
Hey, Chris.
Yeah, man.
Don't make nobody catch up on the camera, rub off no wallpaper on
I'm looking to you, brother.
Speaking of which, Chris, where can we, and I'm sure everybody watching is super interested, where can we find you on social media?
So if you go on Instagram and type Christopher Ellis, you will see me. I'll come up first at the top, yeah. But it's Ellis Music Child is my handle. It's Ellis Music Child. That's the handle.
Okay.
Yeah. And it's music with a Z. But anyway, type Christopher Ellis. I'll sit there, and you find me. And that's the same on all of the platforms: Facebook, Twitter, same thing.
See.
Yeah, man.
Excellent.
That's me right there.
Excellent.
That means same is the one and hunger.
One and hunger.
Okay.
One and hunger. I love that. Thank you so much for joining us. As always, it's such a pleasure having you. Such a vibe. We love
Enough
you.
respect, Nisha.
And we're going to see you in Jamaica around the place. We're going to see you soon.
Yeah, man.
Sounds good.
Yeah, man.
Thanks.
All right, then. Love, yeah.
Start seeing already, I wrote.
Oh, it's all right. Sorry, may I come join too? All right, thanks, guys.
No, respect. Thank you.
Blessings. All right, everybody, please remember to check on your loved ones and support as a community. Thank you very much again for tuning in. We'll be back tomorrow with much more buzz. And we'll come back with
games and everything. We have our virtual audience tomorrow. So if you want to be a part of our virtual audience, the Zoom link is on our Facebook page post or on Instagram in our bio. Okay, so guys, reach out right now, reach out and sign up and all that good stuff.
Mad. So everybody stay safe, wash your hands.
Hold on a second. Let me hear you tomorrow.
Back in our place. So stay safe and wash your hands, mask up and keep your distance as much as possible. Because Corona still a go on and we don't really want you end up and can't go nowhere.
Yeah.
I know you'll be watching us tomorrow.
But, so, you know, yeah.
But
You know, some
keep
people
yourself
that tell you, say, it nah keep again. It's still a keep here. It's still a go on. So, hold your foot.
Bless up. Rubber dub, stream it.
Hey.